Welcome to our virtual physics laboratory. Our goal today is to visualize the invisible rules of energy that govern how everyday objects move. We will explore this by looking at Step 1, the simple pendulum setup. A simple pendulum is made of two basic parts, a piece of string and a weight tied to the bottom. In physics, we call that suspended weight the bob. When you let the bob hang straight down toward the floor, it reaches its resting state, which is known as its equilibrium position. Equilibrium simply means total rest. The bob is hanging perfectly still, perfectly balanced, with zero movement. To get things moving, we have to do a little bit of work. We reach out, grab the bob, pull it to the side, and lift it to a new height above that resting equilibrium point. By lifting the bob against the downward pull of gravity, we are packing it full of stored energy. This simple action builds the required foundation for all the motion that is about to follow. This animated diagram brings us to Step 2, maximum potential energy. Notice how the pendulum is frozen exactly at the highest point of its swing. Beside it, you can see two fluid-filled columns tracking the energy. Right before you let go, the bob is momentarily hovering in the air. Its physical speed is absolute zero. Because kinetic energy is the energy of motion, an object with zero speed has exactly zero kinetic energy. But look at the other column. Because you have lifted the bob to its maximum height, it now holds gravitational potential energy. This is energy stored by gravity, waiting to pull the bob down. The formula here, mgh, simply multiplies the mass of the bob, the pull of gravity, and the height you lifted it. The higher you lift the bob, the more gravitational potential energy it stores. At this highest peak, that stored energy is completely maxed out. At the extreme edges of a pendulum's arc, all forward motion completely dies. 100% of the energy inside the system exists purely as stored potential, waiting to be unleashed. Now we release the bob, moving into Step 3, maximum kinetic energy. In this animated diagram, you can see gravity pulling the bob downward in slow motion. Watch the columns. The stored potential energy rapidly drains, while the kinetic energy column fills right up. As the bob loses its height, all of that stored potential energy transforms entirely into active motion. Down here at the resting point, the height is zero, so the potential energy is zero. Because all of that potential energy has converted into motion, the bob is traveling at its absolute fastest speed, exactly at this bottom point. That means its kinetic energy has reached its maximum. Let's zoom out to a broader physical rule. This animated diagram shows Step 4, conservation of energy. We've added a third column labeled total energy, while the pendulum swings continuously in real time. The visual evidence here is striking. The first two columns constantly rise and fall in perfect opposition to each other. But if you look at the total energy column, the combined amount of energy never changes. It stays completely still. In our perfect theoretical laboratory, there are no leaks. The exact same amount of energy simply sloshes back and forth perfectly between the height of the bob and the speed of the bob. In a frictionless universe, energy is never created and it is never destroyed. It merely performs an endless dance between stored potential and active motion. Let's step out of the theoretical laboratory and into the physical world. This brings us to Step 5, the reality, damping. If you build a real pendulum, you will quickly observe that it does not swing forever. In this animated diagram, you can see the arcs getting progressively smaller until the bob stops. Notice the animated heat waves radiating outward. Those heat waves represent two physical barriers. First, microscopic friction occurs right at the top pivot point, where the string rubs against the mount. Second, as the bob swings, it has to physically push the invisible air out of its way, creating air resistance. The mechanical energy of the swinging bob isn't being destroyed by these barriers. Instead, the friction transfers the energy out of the pendulum, converting it into internal energy, specifically a tiny amount of heat warming the surrounding air. Physicists have a specific word for this gradual loss of mechanical energy from a system. They call it damping. Damping. It is the process where a system slowly loses its mechanical energy to friction and air resistance. When you watch a real pendulum grind to a halt on your desk, you aren't watching energy disappear. You are watching mechanical energy constantly escape into the invisible environment.